Alright guys, I want to take you guys on my weekly outlook for this week that is about to enter, which will be my week 3. Guys, I'm in my phase 2 of my account now, so obviously I trade only EURUSD, so I'll be doing my outlook for the EURUSD now. So what do I do? This is my journal. I already set it in my journal already, so now let me go to my weekly outlook. So yeah, you can see week 3 is already there. Like last week, buyers was still delivered, so it's been great. So let me explain what I'm looking at for this week. Do you understand? You can see my direction for this week is what? Bullish. That's my buyers. So September 8 to September 12. That's for next week. So and I do my analysis, my top-down analysis from monthly time frame up onto the daily time frame and even a 4-hour time frame and rest of that. Do you understand? So the first time frame I have is my monthly time frame, like is written here, buyers bullish. You understand? July CRT low, blah blah blah, to soup, and August blah. Then September candle already showing what? Bullish momentum, which I expect to take out the what? My CRT, the CRT high as a what? Drawn liquidity. So if I'm to expand it, you can see it here. This is what I mean. This is the September candle already printing, showing bullish. Remember from my last week I said it was going to retrace 50%, and which it did, and you can see it's moving what? Showing bullish momentum. So I'm expecting to take out this my monthly CRT high as my drawn liquidity. You can see that. So that's what I'm looking at for on the monthly time frame. Then going on to the weekly time frame, you can see buyers still remain the same, which is bullish. Like I said here, last week candle closed bullish. Therefore, I'm expecting a 50% retracement of previous weekly candle before the bullish momentum. If I'm to do what? Expand it, you see what I'm saying. Do you understand? This was last week candle, this was last week candle, this was last 2 weeks candle. Do you understand? You can see there was a total soup, and finally this last week now this is last week, and last week now what has taken out the CRT of this last 2 weeks candle. Do you understand? So this last week candle close what? Bullish. So but what I'm waiting for is at least there should be a little bit of retracement before price could finally take out my monthly CRT target. You can see that. So I'm bullish, I'm pretty more bullish. So going to my daily time frame. So this is my daily time frame. Buyers still remains the same, bullish. Now you can see bullish momentum. I'll wait for price to come inside my key level before looking for what? Bullish opportunity. Look at how it looks like. Do you understand? Sorry, network. Don't know, network. But I don't know why it's wrong. I think it's the network. So but you can see on my screen here, you can see that Friday candle, which is this is Friday candle, close what? Very much bullish. So I'm expecting price to come back into this my key level, which is what? My change of state of delivery or other block for me to now look for what? Bullish opportunity on my lower time frame. You can see how I analyze the market from monthly time frame up onto daily time frame. So I don't trade on Monday. Today is Sunday, 7th of September. That's why I'm doing my weekly analysis. I don't trade on Monday. So from Tuesday, I'll see what the market is going to give to me. So peace and love. Subscribe, like this video, share this video too, so that, and also like this video now to help for the YouTube algorithm. Without wasting much of your time, I'll catch you guys and tell you updates on the week and all of that. Tuesday's trade, Wednesday trade, whichever. If we take trade, I'll let you guys know. Peace and love. Alright guys, welcome back. And I want to show you guys the trade I took yesterday, which was Tuesday. You guys know that the OG I don't trade on Mondays, and sorry to say, introduction, I'm trading my phase 2 account. You understand? This is the phase 2. I passed my phase 1 last week. You understand? So this is a new week, so it's I'm in my phase 2, and I don't trade on Monday, so definitely. So on Tuesday I saw an opportunity, yeah, but today is Wednesday, so I just want to explain because I was so busy yesterday, so I couldn't. And I did some markings here, you know, like I did on my weekly outlook clip. Do you understand? I'm looking for what to buy, but you know, the market moved from a premium to a discount level. Premium, discount, that's how it is. So you just need to position yourself in the best zone where you want to buy or sell. So right now I'm looking for what my general bias is, what buy, but at this moment price is at the premium zone, which is sell. Do you understand? So this is the point where I said I'm going to look for what buy if price come into this key level, which is on a clean order block here. So but currently the price is around what the premium zone. So that is why I'm looking for what shorting opportunity for a short-term buyers. Do you understand? So this was my Monday candle. This was the Monday candle. You can see I don't trade Monday, so I use it as a range, you know, because it basically range. So now this was the Tuesday candle. You can see what the Tuesday candle did. It did what the Tuesday candle did, what to soup the high of the Monday candle. So definitely I went on my 4-hour time frame. Do you understand? I went on my 4-hour time frame to just look for what my CRT, which is, you understand, but in this case price was already moving, because there was already a 4-hour CRT, so price was already moving. This was the 1 a.m. candle, this was the 5 a.m. candle, and this is 9 o'clock. So after seeing this bearish momentum from 1 a.m. and 5 a.m, so I felt like 9 a.m. would do what continuation of it, you understand. So what then do? I have to wait for price to do its thing. So now there's a key level on 4-hour that I mark, which you can see here. This is the key level. Then I went straight to my to my 15 minutes time frame. Do you understand? Because the entry mode method I use for here is what we call OTE for trading CRT. So now I was actually being lucky here, because I was supposed to enter the trade around this place, but let me go on 5-minute time frame, because that was where I made the entry. Do you understand? Because I had to wait for certain criteria. Do you understand? So I had to make I wanted to make this entry on this candle, but this wasn't a news candle. I don't know, the market just moved so volatile that morning. So I was lucky, because I was about to set my limit, but you can see what the market did. The market moved up sharply and came down sharply. So that was like a liquidity grab, not like it's a liquidity grab. So upon seeing that, I had to wait for change of state of delivery, which I saw here. You can see I played my limit, and boom, 1/4 was it. Now guys, this based on this, because phase 2 I was supposed to make 4%, so this trade gave me 4%, like you can see, 1/4. So but because of the minimum trading days with this Propfirm, I used this, which is 3 days. So I traded 1 day, which I made 4%. So but I couldn't pass it because of I've not passed the minimum trading days. So this now, they now told me I have to trade for good 3 days. So that is what I'm currently doing now, guys. So now fast forwarding to today, I'm going to show you my account balance when I made the 200, which is 4%, and also the profit of this trade. I'm going to show you on the screen. But now let's go to today's trade, which because of that rule I had to trade. Do you understand? I had to trade for today. Now I tried as much as possible to remove my mindset, because this kind of thing can make you psychologically down in a way, but I had to just focus very well. But now then I went to my 4-hour time frame, because you know that, like I said, the price is around the premium zone, but you understand. So I waited for my normal CRT model, which is you can see this was my 1 a.m. candle, and after seeing the 1 a.m. candle, I mark it as my range. Then the 5 a.m. candle did to soup it. So upon seeing that, I had to set my limit around there. I set my limit around the 5 a.m. candle, but you can see what the market did. This market stopped me out, because I think I reached 1% on that trade. I risked 1% because of the rule my Propfirm said is even if I'm supposed to trade the minimum trading day, which is 3 days, I'm supposed to make a profit of 0.5. Like I can't use 0.01, you know, that kind of thing. I just place a trade of 0.01. I can't do that. So I have to make a profit of 0.5, not the stand. So I risked 1% on this trade, so I lost 1%. So I was down 3%, but I still didn't stop, because my rule is 2% per day. So I got another opportunity here, which is this trade that's currently running, like you can see. But in this case I'm risking 0.5. In this case I'm risking 0.5. So if this trade hit TP, I'll be back to 4%. Yeah, I'll be back to 4%. So let's see how it plays. If it turn out to play if it hit TP, I'll let you guys know. If it doesn't, I'll still let you guys know. But today is making it 2 days as in true trading days. So tomorrow should be the 3rd trading day. So let's see if this trade hits tipping. To God be the glory. Tomorrow I'll still trade again, and you know that's the rule. So but definitely phase 2, I'll definitely pass it. Definitely, fingers crossed. Catch you guys tomorrow. Peace and love. What's up, guys? You can see on my screen. So I want to show you guys the update on today's Friday. Do you understand? So there was a trade I took that Wednesday. I took a trade, so I'm going to show you guys how that trade played out. Do you understand? So, but you know, in my weekly outlook that I showed you guys, I was looking for price to do what, to come into this key level before it can react. You can see what the market did with the CPI that was released yesterday. Look at it, tapped into my key level and see the massive bullish momentum. Now today is Friday. This is Friday's candle printing. Do you understand? And let me take you guys to the trade I took that I executed. I showed you guys. Let me show you how the trade turned out to be. So you can see, man, my weekly analysis is actually playing out. Like I told you, EURUSD is bullish up until it takes this monthly CRT target. You understand? So we're bullish. So I went to 4 hours. You remember I told you the guys that price was around the premium level, and this was that trade. Look at how that trade played out. It finally do what? Smashed TP. But now upon smashing TP, you understand, price has not taken my final target, which is the 1 a.m. CRT low. So on Thursday, which was yesterday, I looked for an opportunity simply because, guys, it is because of the minimum trading days. This trade put me back with 4%, which is the normal phase 2 profit target. Do you understand? But because I've not completed the minimum trading days, which is 3 days, do you understand? So it was obvious that this one that I opened on Tuesday, they said to me that it is not when you open the trade, it is when the trade closed. So, and it was closed around what? It was closed around the next day, which is Wednesday. So this was considered 1 day. Then this is the second trade I was taking that Wednesday, which is 2 days. So 2 days, which is Wednesday. So Thursday, this was taken it was considered as 10th, which is Wednesday. Do you understand? Based on the Propfirm stuff, which I use good funded, you understand? So this was considered as 10th of September. This is also considered as 10th of September, which is just 1 day. So Thursday, which is this trade that I took on Thursday, because I had to take trade to just complete the the minimum trading days, based on the rule that you are supposed to take based on the rules, their minimum trading days is 3, and what is considered a trading day is ending the profit with 0.5. So I had to take an opportunity simply because I didn't just take opportunity blindly. I looked at it that, okay, price is still within my CRT range, because it has not taken out this CRT the low, because this was the 1 a.m. high and 1 a.m. low, so it has not taken it. So I went to my 15 minutes time frame. You can see how I'm doing. CRT is just the key. I'm not going to lie, but I'm not saying other strategies are not working. So upon seeing this, the market took out the Asian low. This is my Asian session, and it closed very bearish. Then I looked at a change. I used my change of state of delivery entry method. You can see that price finally smashed TP. Do you understand? So now I'm currently, I didn't hold to full TP because I needed just 0.5 profit. So I closed around 1:1 or something like that, because I read 0.5 1 ratio for 1. So my account currently banned. I'm going to show you on the screen my current balance right now. So today is Friday. You can see what the CPI did. It tapped into our key level, and you can see the massive bullish move. So don't play with CRT. So today is Friday. I'm still looking for what? I'll look for opportunity, bullish opportunity, but beside bullish opportunity, but you can see price already got going bullish. So I'll wait for 5 o'clock candle New York time and see if I'll see opportunity on 9 o'clock. But basically I'm looking for what? Bullish, because the market is already showing us bullish intent. Today is Friday. I hope I get an opportunity so that I can actually just pass this pass the rule of the three minimum trading day. If I see opportunity and it goes my favor, I'll close it with 0.5 profit. Definitely I'll be giving my certificate that I've passed my phase 2. Don't mind you, I've made the 4% already, like you can see on my screen. I've made the 4% just for the minimum trading days. So guys, if you like my journey so far, it has been good. I'm not gonna lie, to God be the glory. But like and subscribe, share this video, so in order to help for the YouTube algorithm to see how trading is all about. You understand? Sticking to my rules has been good. I'm not gonna lie, but we'll keep pushing. So guys, I'll give you an update if any trade completes that. I'll let you guys know. Peace and love.
Hi guys, I just passed my phase 2. Yeah, I just passed the phase 2 account. Do you understand? The phase 2 phase. So I'm going to show you the message on my mail. Do you understand? They sent me the message on my mail. So, but currently they are reviewing it, but they've sent me that, okay, I've met the criteria, but they've not sent me my certificate. They asked, according to them, they say it's going to take 3 business days, and yesterday was Friday, which is the 1 business day, because I passed it yesterday, which is Friday. So basically from Wednesday, next week Wednesday or Tuesday, I should get my certificate, and I should get my login for me to do my KYC and get to the funded stage. Just I'm already in the funded stage, so I can get my login for the my funded stage. So guys, I'm super excited. This is the first time. This is the first time ever that I followed my rules and my trade plan that I got what funded. Do you understand? So guys, it's a new chapter. Like I said, I told you guys that this is going to be a great one and many more to come. Do you understand? This is the beginning and we have many more accounts to get. Do you understand? Bigger and bigger. So I'm super excited to myself and I'll give God the glory, and also thanks to you guys. You understand? So guys, if you like this journey, and you can see if you picked one or two things in my journey so far so good from the day I started on this YouTube channel, please do it to like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification to get notified when I post new video like this on my channel, because it's going to be back to back. Do you understand? I'm going to show you guys the funded. Once I get my login, I'm going to show you guys the process and how I'm going to get payout, because if it's payout, by God's grace, I'm going to get payout and many more payouts. Do you understand? So guys, do what to like this video and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to this video, to this channel. What else should I say again? I can say that sticking to the rules is just the key thing. Do you understand? So it's not easy. Yeah, I faced some times where I was emotional, but I had to hold myself. I'm still doing that just to get better. Do you understand? Just to get better. Peace and love. Don't play. Peace and love. I'll catch you guys in the next week. And if I get my login on Wednesday, Tuesday, we'll trade. No wasting of time. So once I do my KYC and all of that, peace and love.